Well, I was hoping that it would stop raining by the time I got up here, but it's still raining. Well, the rain slowed down, probably because I'm up in the clouds now. Be super cool if I climb out at the top. Well, the drizzle kind of picked up. My sleeves are now soaking wet. Still in the clouds. But hey, this is a great adventure, right? Yes. All right, this is the top of Echo. Normally there's a nice view of the city from here, which is straight down there. But today we got nothing. Still in the clouds. Still got this heavy mist coming down. Yeah, normally I don't ride in my helmet or with my shin and knee guards on because it's too hot. But today, yeah, helmet, shin and knee guards on, keeping me warm. Nice. Onward we go. Last climb to the Doppler. I hope now it's gonna pop through the clouds, but nope. Well, I made it to the Doppler. Ta-da! It never stopped drizzling and I never climbed out of the clouds. I was hoping I could because it gives you an awesome view. But, oh well, still it's a good ride. And am I cold? Not yet, but I'm starting to get cold because it's windy up here and I stopped pedaling. So time to head down. Up here on the top of Troy Lee now, on my way down. Thought I'd stop and check this out here. Looks cool watching the clouds move. So, I got a little muddy, and I'm assuming that my butt's muddy too, because look at how my seat looks. Oh well. Oh well. It's a good ride. We're not going fast, because I found that it's the hard pack, which is normally where you get all your traction, is really slippery when it's wet. And the sandy soil in between the hard pack, now that it's wet and it's stuck together, is better traction. Slippery! Ooh, hard pack. Yeah, that's slick. Woo! This back tire is not the grippiest tire. It's a cross-country tire. And then this hard pack that's wet, not getting much traction. Yeah, this hard pack like that, yeah, a little bit. There's mud, not really mud, but there's dirt flying everywhere. Let me see if I can wipe that lens. One hand. Okay. Woo. Oh my gosh. Ah. I'm sorry, bike. Oh, nasty. Get off the tire. This will be interesting. I don't even know where a good line on this is anymore. I tried down here. Looks like some people have been riding down here. Oh geez, that's soft as anything. Yeah, that one's gonna be no good. Well, we'll do a slow run down Burner. This is not my enduro bike, so slow being the operative word here. Burner, hello rabbit, needs to be, I don't know, raked, maybe. Hit the berm. Alright, I hope it's not squishy muddy at the bottom. Oh my. And not too bad. Alright. That was pretty good. That was a good ride. I mean, I'm a little bit wet, but I'm not cold, so I call that good. Feel sorry for the bike though. Sorry, bike. You got so muddy.